Kate here with WTI. Now, does your puppy also have a strong urge to chew? It's totally natural, but we often want to divert that chewing to a protected area. And so these puppy teething rings have been awesome. So they're flavored really nicely. Our puppy really enjoys chewing on them all day long. He hasn't broken through yet, but they are edible, of course, so they can eat them. They're flavored really nicely, so they have things like pumpkin and cranberry. There's cinnamon in there, all kinds of things to make it really yummy for your dog. They're nice and durable, a great way for your puppy to chew. Is that yummy? The package we had came with 6. So it's nice that it'll last us a while. It just gives them something to gnaw on instead of our fingers or cords or whatever else a puppy can find. So we're really, really pleased with it. So if you're also kind of just looking for something to give your puppy an outlet, I think you'll really be thrilled with these as well. And that's my point of view.